Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. As you saw from the last video, I showed you how to fix a lion or mountain lion installation error. Now in this video, we're going to do Mavericks today. So last video, as you saw in the description, the lion and mountain lion process does not work with this. So I'm going to show you an example. So I'm going to just go to my applications folders right here. So if I go to contents, shared support, you can see it's there, right? So if you open, I'm just going to skip this since I'm going to show you. Look, you're not going to see the install application here. So once again, it is not going to work like that. So as you can see, I have the installer pulled up right now. I did it from Launchpad, but it usually takes like forever since I'm in like a VMware virtual machine. Oh wait, let me get more info. Look, see, I'm currently in a VMware virtual machine. It only says Mac, that's why. Anyways, besides that point, I'm just going to go ahead and go through the process. Your password. So you think everything seems to be going fine, but this is a sign where everything's going to go wrong. Watch. It says this copy of the install OS 10 Mavericks application can't be verified. It may have been damaged or blah 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 yada yada yada. Anyways, alright, and all that shit. Anyways, so I'm going to hit cancel. So as you know why that appears, the OS 10 came out on October 22nd of 2013, but it expired, the certificate, in the 24th of 2019. So what you want to do is change the date. So you can either do it through terminal. Check the date right now. As you can see, it's September 8th, 2025. It's currently 7:09 p.m. on a Monday. You could do it through terminal if you want. I'll paste the command in the description, but I'm not going to do it because for some reason it doesn't work for me, and I actually want to know why. Probably because I'm in a VMware virtual machine. Anyways, for me, I like to go system preferences, date and time. Do not set it automatically. So you need to set the date between its release date, which is October 22nd of 2013, all the way up until October 23rd of 2019. Do not do it like 2020, 2021, because all that shit is not going to work. So for me, I'm going to do it as June 23rd, 2014. I'm going to leave the time alone. I'm going to go ahead and save it and open the installer with the time and date open to see what happens. And if it doesn't work, you may have to change it to 24, like October 2014 or something. I'm going to go ahead and install it right now. Yeah, I feel like this is not going to work. This is a sign right here. Wait, actually, hold on. I've seen this before. Hold on, maybe just give it a second, or maybe not a second, like 15 seconds probably, because usually stays stuck. There we go, it works. So what you want to do is hit restart, and basically that's all you. Yes, close out our applications. Just do it when that pops up. Anyways, just leave a like. Wait, hold on, what the heck? Says an error occurred while preparing the installation. Try running the application again. This usually happens to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here while I sort this situation out. So if it works for you, congratulations, but if it doesn't, you might have to figure that out, or you might have to change the date. Like, hold on, I might do this right now. Hold on. Try October. Let me quit it. Hold on, let me eject this. Oh god. Excuse me. Anyways, I'm gonna install the application again. Try to go through the normal processes. Hold on. And there it goes. I'm just gonna let it go through. Just gonna close this out. Alright, so I'm gonna try again, and it doesn't work. Oh wait, hold on. There we go, now it works. So like, if you get that error, just try changing the date again, because that actually worked for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe with the notification bell on for more videos like this. Have an amazing day. God bless.